All right, so I removed this molding and the wire. I'm just gonna see, just in case, if there's a connector under this seat. That would be really clean, because I see a connector there. I'm not sure what that's for, but that's definitely not for this. So if I can find a connector for this harness, that would be sweet. So we wouldn't even have to splice. But I need to remove the seat, or at least try the seat bottom to start with. I've got the backs folded down. I might have to remove this piece. One other thing, I take the screws. I mean, you know, they're not doing anybody any good here. And as you know, if you're ever doing a work on a car and you lose a screw, it's really frustrating. So take the screws too. All right, so back in the day, the seats just lifted out, and this car happens to have a latch. So I gotta sit down there. See, there's a little latch right there. You push it, and then the seat lifts up. And you just have to work it out. Okay, so not as easy as the old days. There's also, whoops. There's also a bolt, 10mm bolt. That's holding the back of the seat in. Probably one on the other side too, so I'll have to pull those out. So one of the nice things about doing this, getting your part off a junk car first, is like a lot of do-it-yourselfers. How many times in your life are you going to change your Hyundai's fuel pump or replace the harness? Probably once. So, you know, one thing mechanics have over you is experience. But so when you come here, you get to see how things go together in the junk car, and that makes things easier for you later on. So the seat's out.